So today I really need to get some miles under my belt, cycling specifically. I feel like my swim and my run training have been going well, but my cycling has been non-existent. So I need to cycle a bit more. And that's what I'm doing. Shoot. You know what I just realized? If I just take Huber north, I can bike to Five Guys. Or Chipotle. Brilliant. Don't get distracted, Nick. I just saw a fawn all by itself just hopping through the growth. That was pretty cool. That was really neat. Branch stuck in my cycle. Nothing's broke, we're good. Just did, well, I just went out back on the Munson Trail, but like the trail, not like the rock road, but like the trail. That thing's a beast, man. Wow. You wanna work out your quads, go there. Go to the backpack trail. Got a little muddy too. So I got a text earlier on my bike ride from David, guy who was training for an Ironman that I met at the YMCA swimming. And mind you, this is 6.5 miles into my 20-mile bike ride. It's a screenshot of him cycling 80 miles. He did it in 4 hours. I did 20 miles in an hour 50. Oh man, nobody cares. Work harder. Stay classy, Detroit.